We're back on the DIY Junkyard LS Engine Build. Today, we're going to take the cam bearings out and the barbell out of the block. This is a specialized cam bearing deinstaller and reinstaller tool. Little mini sledge. Here we go. You line it up with the front cam bearing. It's self-explanatory. And then you drive the first one out. And then you work your way to the second one. And then all the way through the fifth one. The old bearing comes off. Stop the video. All right. To make it easier for you to see what I'm doing in the video, I've spun the block around since I'm right-handed with the hammer, and you should be able to see what we're doing here. Now we're moving on to cam bearing number 2, and if my wife will walk over here with the phone, maybe you can see down in the block where I'm at. See, the bar goes all the way to right there into the journal. Okay, it's that simple. We're going to do that on all 5 of them and drive them out, and then we're not going to show them all to you. We're just going to do those 2 to show you what we're doing, because you have to have the tool specific to do this job. And then we'll bring the video back in when we're doing the dumbbell, the barbell to replace, and then again whenever we're at the car wash to finish the final wash on the block. And then once we bring it back, we'll be painting the block, installing the new cam bearings, and that's pretty close to final build prep when we're going to be laying in new parts at that point. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, we've finished driving the cam bearings out of the block. Now we're going to pull the dumbbell or barbell out of the block for the oil galleys, the main oil galley itself. We have a small 1/32 drill bit. We're going to just drill a pilot hole. Your slide hammer may vary, but I have a 1/8 actual screw at the end of my slide hammer. We're going to try this small drill bit first. We might have to step it up one, but we're going to try it from here, and here we go. This is the front side of the block, the front port where the barbell at the back. The oil galley goes all the way through the block, and we pulled its plug out as well. Sometimes I forget to pull things at the house or at the shop. Everyone does it. I forgot to pull the crank sensor and the cam sensor, which I've since done. And I have the main cap still in the block. I'm going to go ahead and pull those off so that I can shoot pressurized water through the oil galleys and everything while we're here at the car wash. Just some things you got to prep for once you're at the car wash or at each stage. Okay. Degreaser first. Shooting it inside, outside. Cam valleys, the bores. Over here in the lifter bore holes. All right, now we're going to go to high pressure wash. barbell hole from the front, barbell hole from the back. That's pretty good. Okay, we're going to use VHT high temperature engine enamel. Customer asked for black. Lay a light coat on first, a tack coat. On all sides. Let it tack up. You can see that it's starting to dry, some of the flash dry. Go ahead and start laying your second layer then. You want a heavier coat where it looks wet as you lay it on. And that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.